happened, Jack?
You know what? Not sure.
I blame the drone on that one.
It's alive.
One piece?
Yeah.
Oh, now you know you can crash it somewhere else because it randomly loses signal.
So yeah, Chris and I were just down in Cowden, Illinois at a family reunion. I thought we'd bust this guy out, get some cool shots of the cornfields, and kind of fly by the water tower. And in doing so, yeah, I crashed. But I've crashed this thing before, and you know what? Still alive. I do like these arm bracers. Now, the cornfield was kind of a nice place to crash in that, you know, I think the corn stalks helped absorb some of the blow, but also, finding this thing in the cornfield was not fun. Dirt on here. Anyway, I think it crashed for a couple of different reasons. One, I'm not the world's greatest FPV pilot. It was definitely a little bit of pilot error. But two, when you're flying the DJI digital FPV system, you have to know that there is variable latency, meaning it's going to kind of change your timing just a little bit. The end here where I do crash, I was doing a flip and I kind of lost the timing of it. It was really kind of odd. Kind of had some almost like a glitch in the goggles, but not really. Just kind of slows down, speeds up. It's kind of difficult to explain. Now, I went to find my drone in the goggles, and what that does is it'll show you the last couple of seconds to kind of help you survey the landscape and find your drone. So I used that, but it wasn't super helpful because it was showing me what I saw, and that was kind of like a glitchy last couple of seconds. So yeah, this crashed. It survived. But just kind of know you do kind of have some of that latency, and it's variable latency, which, you know, is just kind of goofy and different than analog. And today, yeah, it was my fault that I crashed, but hey, enjoy some flights from Cowden.
She's so romantic. Don't need no champagne, poppin' entertainment. Take her to Wendy's, can't keep her off me. She wanna dip me like the fries in a Frosty. But every now and then when I get paid, I gotta spoil my lady with an upgrade. Hey, singing, here we go. We fancy like Applebee's on a date night. Catch a Bourbon Street steak with the Oreo shake. It's a whipped cream on the top two. Two straws, one shake, girl, I got you. Bougie like Maddie in the styrofoam. Squeeze, squeeze, and chub it all the way home. Alabama jammer, she my Dixieland delight. Hey, that's how we do, how we do. Come on, fancy like, fancy like, ooh, fancy like, ooh. Let's go. Fancy like, ooh, come on. I don't need no Tesla to impress her. My girl is happy, rolling on a Vespa. Don't need no mansion to get romantic. She's super fine, double wide, slow dancing. But every now and then when I get paid, I gotta spoil my lady with an upgrade. Hey, hey, hey. I said we fancy like Applebee's on a date night. Got that Bourbon Street steak with your Oreo shake. It's some whipped cream on the top two. Two straws, one shake. Without the skull in them. Yeah, she probably gonna be keeping some Victoria's Secrets. Maybe little Maybelline, but she don't need it in the kitchen line. Radio slows down. Box line in the world too goes down. Y'all, let's give it up, let's go. I said we fancy.
Hey, thanks for watching, but before we go, one more tip. You can see I've upgraded these goggles. This foam is 100 times better than the foam that comes with these standard. It's like 15 bucks, but it's absolutely worth it. The comfort is just so much better with this updated foam. So something I would recommend looking into. We've got a link for you down below. Anyway, if you haven't checked us out on halfchrome.com, make sure you do. We got all sorts of good stuff from FPV to photography. And don't forget, we give away a drone once a month to a lucky Patreon subscriber. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.